Section 4. The Art of Automotive Design. Italian flair meets mechanical mastery. Maserati cars are more than just machines, they are rolling sculptures. Each Maserati is crafted with meticulous attention to detail. They combine elegant Italian design with powerful engineering. The result is a car that is both beautiful and exhilarating to drive. The exterior of a Maserati is unmistakable. It features flowing lines, aggressive curves, and a bold grille adorned with the iconic Maserati trident. This trident is a symbol of power and prestige. It's a reminder of the brand's rich heritage. Inside, Maserati interiors are a testament to Italian craftsmanship. They use only the finest materials such as premium leather, wood, and carbon fiber. The result is a cabin that is both luxurious and inviting. Every detail, from the stitching on the seats to the layout of the dashboard, is designed to enhance the driving experience. Maserati's design philosophy goes beyond aesthetics. They also focus on aerodynamics. The sleek lines and curves of their cars aren't just for show. They are designed to cheat the wind. This improves performance and efficiency,